Mandatory courses for me were three. That is DLTA, OS, and C. These are the prerequisites. This prerequisites means like you need to clear these three subjects. Then only you can start off with a computer engineering course, like actual master's program. But they allow you to give these three exams at any point in the first two semesters. And if you don't clear these three subjects, you need to you need to take an additional you need to take the subject take that course and clear it. Two mandatory courses, two electives, two specialization courses, and the other four, and the rest two are your master's project. If you are in California state universities, you have to do a writing test. That is an English course that is mandatory if you want to graduate. Even if you do your 10 courses, that is 30 units, you have to do this English course. So first of all, it depends on your registration date. If like there is a 7 day or 8 day timeline, and every student gets a different registration date. So if you get a registration date at the very beginning, then it is very good for you. You can opt it at the beginning. But if you get a later deadline, you need to be in touch with your professor. You need to show that you want to take that course. It depends on your advisor. Like if he approves your course, like if he allows you to take the course from the other department, then you can. And then it depends on the class availability. In San Jose State, switching from any other department to computer and software engineering, it is going to be very difficult. Switching from computer to software, there are chances you can get in. One is cloud, machine learning, virtualization, deep learning. So these are very much in demand. People like in the first two classes, people sit on the floor and are standing in the class just to get the permission code. But the class limit is I guess 50 students. It is both. Like you need to do the project work and do the documentation of it. Like there is no like theoretical answers. Like you don't need to mug up things and those kind of stuff. Like if you do the project, even if you are asked a theory question, it is based onto the application. At the beginning, they will give you a green sheet that specifies what things, everything is given a weightage. So you need to just look out where you can score easy and don't miss the deadlines. If you miss the deadlines, there will be a negative impact. But if you complete your assignments on time, even if it is not perfect, you will get good scores. Like you can get 8 on 10 or 9 on 10.